Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's my first video back of the new year 2025. I hope you guys are having a blessed one so far, and a blessed Sunday. There's been a lot going on. If you guys are familiar with the TikTok ban, I know it's been like a whirlwind of emotions. So Sundays are usually my cleaning days, so I'm taking the time to clean and also do some self-care because, you know, there's just a lot going on right now. So I hope you guys use this as your sign to also implement some self-care and just take it easy. It's gonna be a cleaning video and just organizing and just having a fresh start for the week. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Sundays are for cleaning days, so I'm just going through my son's old clothes. These I'm all selling. I have a giveaway pile as well, and these are the ones that I'll be saving. So I'm just kind of organizing and going through it.